So today we are going to learn about numbers and the substrand cubes. Numbers is the first strand in grade 9. Cubes is the second substrand, the second part of numbers. So from grade 8, we learned about squares of numbers, whereby we said, what are squares of numbers? What is a square of a number? With me, I have some learners here who are going to help us. Squares of numbers. A square of a number is multiplying a number
by itself.
They just wanted me to start, then they finish up. Okay, so the same way we learned about multiplying a number by itself as the square of a number, now in grade 9 we learn about cubes. And in this case, cube of a number is multiplying a number by itself 3 times. 3 times. And therefore, we have a question with us which says that find the cube of each of the following numbers. We have 4. Cube of 4 is the same as 4 cubed. This means that we are going to multiply 4 by itself 3 times. But some students go ahead and make a mistake and they say that 4 cubed is 4 times 3. This is not correct. That is not correct. And therefore, a cube of a number is not multiplying a number by 3. The same way, square of a number is not multiplying a number by 2. So, let us do the cube of 4, which will be 4 times 4 times 4. Yes. You know, in the cubes we have 3 methods, and it will depend on the method that you are told to use. We have the first method, a cube by multiplication. We also have cubes of numbers by using the calculator, and we can also use the mathematical table. So it depends with the method that you are told to use. In my case, I'm using the multiplication method. Therefore, 4 times 4 times 4, which is 4 cubed, is equal to, one of you to tell us, Beatrice?
64.
64. That means that the cube of 4 is equal to 64. The cube of 4 is equal to 64. Let us move to the next question. The next question, question B, is a fraction. We are finding the cube of 7 over 9. This case will have cube of the whole fraction. That is, cube of the numerator, cube of the denominator. And this will be the same as 7 cubed over 9 cubed. This can also be written as 7 times 7 times 7, then over 9 times 9 times 9. And what is 7 times 7 times 7? Yes, Mutanu?
343.
343 over, what is 9 times 9 times 9? Wende? 729. Is this fraction in the simplest form? Can it be simplified any further? No. So the answer for 7 over 9 cubed is 343 over 729. Let us move to part C of the question. You can see this is a decimal. I chose this questions deliberately or with an intention, a whole number, a fraction, then a decimal. Good. So this is, we take the cube of this number, which is the same as writing 0.02 times 0.02 times 0.02. And this is giving us, we expect the answer to have at around 6 decimal places because of 2 decimal places, 2 decimal places, 2 decimal places. The answer is 0.02 times 0.02 times 0.02. Yes? I'm waiting for the answer from my students. They are fearing because the answer is the calculator is giving the answer in standard form, and I taught them standard form in grade 8, but they cannot remember. Power negative 6. So power negative 6, it means the number should have how many zeros?
6.
Really? How many decimal places? 6 decimal places, but because we already have 8, the zeros are supposed to be 5. So this will be 0.5 zeros, then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, the answer was, this is 8 times 10 power negative 6. That is what the calculator is giving, because it is giving in standard form, but the number can be written as a decimal in this manner, because we can go back to converting numbers or decimals to standard form. In this case, we will move forward. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is why it is 8.0 or 8 times 10 power negative 6. When we move forward, the power is negative. When we move backward, the power is positive. Yeah, so that is it about the cube of that number. You can write the number as standard form or as the decimal. No arm. Then the last question. The cube of this, as you can see, this is which type of a fraction? Mutanu? A mixed fraction. So anytime we come across a mixed fraction, we are supposed to convert that mixed fraction to improper fraction. They know that, or any other learner supposed to know that anytime you come across a mixed fraction, you convert that mixed fraction to improper fraction. And this is how we convert. This we multiply to that, then we add. This is 3 times 1, 3 plus 2, 5. And this is 5 over 3. And then we take the cube of that. The cube. And this is the same as 5 cubed over 3 cubed, which is the same as 5 times 5 times 5 over 3 times 3 times 3. And this is supposed to be, Beatrice, 125 divided by Mutanu, 27. Can we leave our answer at that point? No. So we convert this improper fraction to a mixed fraction, which is, what is 125 over 27 is a mixed fraction? Mutanu?
17 over 27.
4 17 out of 27. Therefore, the cube of 1, 2 over 3 is 4, 17 over 27. So thank you very much for watching our lesson up to that point. And this is the end of our today's lesson. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe. Till next time, bye bye.